Hi, I'm Stuart Taylor, and today I'd like to share a little advice that will help you the next time you have to report your project is in trouble and is reporting or tracking red. Keep in mind, it's not enough to just say, we're going to be late or it's going to cost more. You need to share specifically what's gone wrong. The best place to do this is in a section on project issues. If your template allows you to, you need to explain the cause and the impact of the problem. And try to be specific about the impact. Put measurable values there, such as how many days late, how many dollars overspent, and so on. Your issue resolution plan should be interpreted as being a return to green plan, so use that to show the actions and deliverables you need to return to a green state. Name the action owners and the target dates. It's so vital in this situation that you give the appearance of being proactive, of being fully engaged with solving the problem, even if additional help is needed. You can't afford to look like a passenger in your own project. If you have a dedicated return to green section in the report, put a summary of the details from your issue resolution plan into it. Don't just write "see issues," it'll make you look lazy. And don't leave it blank, that'll make you look negligent. Hey, if any of this is helpful, don't forget to give the video a like. The status report is your report, and you control the narrative. If there's a problem in your project that's so severe that you're reporting red, then your report really needs to be about that. Its whole narrative should be, we have a problem, we know the cause, we know the impact, this is what we're doing to fix it, and this is the help we need to return to green. So your exec summary or headline section needs to include those details. If you're wondering why you need to repeat this so much, it's in the issues, it's in the return to green section, it's in the summary. It's because you need to remember your audience. Most people that read the status reports don't read them in a linear manner. They jump from section to section, and you can't easily predict where their eyes will go to next. And when they see a red status, it's in your interest that it's really easy for them to see what's causing it, what the impacts are, and mostly, what's being done to fix it. If you have pragmatic leaders in your business, they'll appreciate that problems will happen on projects, and this is your opportunity to show that you're in control. Another reason is once you've published your status report, you have no control over how other people will carve it up, summarize it, or fit it into other templates. So that key message of, there's a problem and here's how we fix it, has to be so consistently threaded through your report that it's understandable wherever parts of it may end up next. I think by following these tips, you'll have communicated your situation really clearly, but there are so many other tips I can give you. And as it happens, I made this video that tackles the worst project status reports. So before you submit another report, go and check that one out first.